happy Friday, December the 10th, 2001. This is Dave with Systematic Investors Group, and I just wanted to share a couple of trades. One trade that took place, which was a picture perfect trade, and another one that's setting up, just to share with some of the members here. So this is a daily chart on the very far hand left side of CIEN. So this set up the other day. This was our squeeze, pause, sprint strategy. And let me just show you. So the beta squeeze, pause, sprint strategy on the S&P 1500. I'll just show you the statistics pretty quickly. So it has the back test that we have on our site, which gets updated every Saturday, has been performed on 4,300 instances or trades. It wins about 57% of the time. The average profit's about 7%. It loses about 43% of the time, and the average loss is about 6%. So you can see here, if you look at the charts, the equity curve looks pretty good. The underwater equity, I think it's down a little bit right now, about 6%. But if you look at the profit table, year over year since 2000, it's done pretty decently. And in 2020 and 2021, it's performed pretty decently. Almost between 17 and 18%. So just taking a look at a couple of trades that I did in my live account. Hang on a second here, gang. So a couple of trades. This one I just got alerted through the email alerts that Alera Portfolio Manager sends off in my production account. I'll show you what that looks like quickly. Just bear with me, gang. It's hard to flip between screens here. Okay, so every day my strategies will send me an email. This particular strategy, I've only got about 30,000 trading this strategy, but you can see here, like my long exposure here, this is my live trading account. It'll send me an email for all my strategies every day. And it will tell me, okay, this is what I did today. So I sold CIEN and I bought VRSN, right? And these are market on open orders. So this all happens automatically, and then it'll tell you, this is what I've got in my portfolio. So this is the portfolio it's running. So just out of interest, I just went and looked at the charts this morning to look at what happened. So if you look at CIEN, it bought somewhere in this range here, somewhere in this, trying to be all fancy with my drawing tools. There we go. It bought somewhere in this range here, and I guess there was an earnings announcement by the looks of it, and then the market popped on this bar. At the end of the day, it would have gotten a sell signal, and this morning it sold at the open somewhere around probably $71.80 where the open was. Okay, so this is we're December the 10th, and the market is open. It's only about 10:19 Eastern time. So so this is what I would consider a picture perfect trade, right? You've got a market that the way that this strategy works is you get a market going to new highs, new recent highs. It consolidates, it buys, and it waits. It looks for the next push higher. That's kind of how this strategy works in a nutshell. So that was a picture perfect trade. Not all trades go like that. A lot of times, like this, probably exceeded what was needed in order to sell. Normally what you get is you'll just get like a couple of bars up, you reach your approximately 2 ATR target, and it will sell. So the other one that was that it bought was VRSN, and if we look at that, you can see the chart pattern is very similar, right? You had a nice move up, and now you're going into a consolidation. The market's going into a Bollinger Band squeeze here, which denotes consolidation or a quiet period of time. And the expectation is that the market is going to pop higher again. Now, this is what makes this strategy so good for option type trades, like if you buy calls on it with limited risk. This strategy is definitely suitable for that kind of an approach. But essentially what you're waiting for is that move higher, consolidation, a little bit of a pullback maybe, and then the next push higher. So if I just kind of squeeze the chart a little bit, you can see like it recently hit, I'm not sure if this is an all-time high, but it definitely recently hit a short-term, well, probably a medium-term high, right? The high was 248.22. So you're looking for that next big push, and these are only focused on stocks that have been exerting strength in the market. So gang, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Just wanted to keep this to about 5 minutes. This is one of the strategies that we offer at Systematic Investors Group. It's an interesting strategy. It's been performing decently, and can be adapted also to trading simple options plays as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. www.systematic-investors.com. Look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.